Hello students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's night time.
Yes, in today's class we will be learning the divisibility rules by 2, 3 and 6 followed by 5 and 10. Let us start by the divisibility rule of 2. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. Now which all are even numbers? The numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at ones place are called even number. All even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, if you have number 5684, 5684, is it divisible by 2? You have to check just the ones place. Yes, ones place it is written 4. So it is an even number divisible by 2. 600, is it divisible by 2? Yes, there is 0 at ones place. So it is an even number divisible by 2. 98, is it divisible by 2? Yes, 8 is written at ones place, so it is an even number divisible by 2. 1246 is also divisible by 2 as there is 6 at the ones place. So all the even numbers are divisible by 2. And which are even numbers? The numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at ones place are called even numbers. Next divisibility rule is divisibility by 3. To check the divisibility by 3, whether a given number is divisible by 3 or not, you have to add all the digits of a given number. Let us take an example. Suppose the number is 5698. Right? So what is the procedure? You have to add all the digits of the number. 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 6, 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. Is 28 divisible by 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 3. Coming to the next example. 5697. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 equals to 27. Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. So 5697 is also divisible by 3. Let us take one more example. 1, 2, 9, 0. 1290. As per the rule, you have to add the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 0. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. So this number is also divisible by 3. So what is the rule? Add all the digits of the given number. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. Okay, now let us learn how to check the divisibility by 6. To check the divisibility by 6, we have to take the prime factors of it. 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 are co-prime to each other. That is why we have chosen this pair. 1 times 6 is also 6, but we cannot take it. Why? Because 6 is a composite number. We have to take only the pair which is co-prime. 2 2 and 3 are co-prime to each other means 2 is not divisible by 3 and 3 is not divisible by 2. They are not having any common factors. That is why they are co-prime. Let us take one example. 7332. This is a number 7332. We have to check the divisibility by 6. Let us check the divisibility by 2 first. At ones place there is 2. That means it is an even number divisible by 2. Now let us check the divisibility by 3. What is the rule? We have to add all the digits. 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 2 15. Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Thus we can say 7332 is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. Thus it is divisible by 6 also. Okay, revise the divisibility rule by 6. The numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3 both are divisible by 6. First check the ones place of a number. If it is divisible by 2, it is an even number. Yes. Then add the digits of the number. If the sum is divisible by 3, the given number is also divisible by 3. Divisible by both, then it is divisible by 6 also. Now let us see the divisibility rule by 5. Table of 5, if you observe, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50 and so on. Now observe the pattern. At ones place it is 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 alternatively. So the numbers which are having either 5 or 0 at the ones place, all those numbers are divisible by 5. So numbers having either 5 or 0 at ones place are divisible by 5. Let us take example. 1055. Is it divisible? Yes. There is 5 at ones place. If it is 70,550, is it divisible? Yes. There is 0 at the ones place. If it is 1,22,655, is it divisible? Yes. 5 is there at ones place, so it is divisible by 5. So which numbers are divisible by 5? All the numbers which are having 0 or 5 at the ones place are divisible by 5. Now check out the next divisibility rule by 10. Observe the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Observe the pattern. All the multiples of 10 are having 0 at ones place. Ones place. So that means all the numbers which are having 0 at ones place are divisible by 10. So numbers having 0 at ones place are divisible by 10. Example 1010. Is it divisible by 10? Yes, there is 0 at the ones place. 5990. Is it divisible? Yes, there is 0 at ones place. 9920. Is it divisible? Yes, there is 0 at ones place. 570. Yes, there is 0 at ones place. So all the numbers which are having 0 at ones place are divisible by 10. So I hope you have understood the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 6, 5 and 10. This much for today. Keep practicing. Thank you.